Alrighty guys, this one's gonna be fast, I promise. So what you think you're getting versus what you're actually getting when it comes to aluminum. We manufacture these aluminum units here. Okay? You think you're getting a unit that looks like this, where you have these nice solid welds, 360 all the way around, nice and strong, all over the unit. You think that you're getting a stud every 16 inches, right? And on a roof, it's got a nice break to it. And in the wall, same thing. You also think that it's produced at a good level to where the things like this are thought of to stop the moisture from building up between each panel, from your outside skin to your actual framing here, and then that you have a thermal break in between, something like this. Now this is a business class unit, so it's got plywood and stuff like that, different purpose, but this is what you think you're getting, but what you're actually getting is this. So this is what you're actually getting. Now we have added these studs because this roof failed and it dropped. Now this is straight across, no rise in the roof. Rise in the roof is important to shed water and all of that fun stuff, but this is what you're actually getting. You're getting a roof, no 360 welds. This is 16th wall. The stuff over there is 1/8 inch wall. This right here, there's no stitching. There's stitching on everything that is put together like this. There's stitching, you know, and it's timed every 6 inches where needed. But then right here, climb up on this roof. This is how the welds are. Quick little tack. You can see that one's cracked. Another quick little tack right here. It's also cracked. Production inconsistency, no tack here. This isn't even level. One tack on this side. Then you got burn through here. So this is what you're actually getting when you have a unit that has got an aluminum structure. It's actually a bonded. So you see how far all these studs are apart? That, I believe, is 40 inches. Looks pretty close to 40, right? That's it. That's what you're getting. So what you're actually getting is you're getting a unit that is relying on bonding strength, not actual structural strength from the aluminum. This is not structural strength in reality. All right. So let me. Oh, I just almost stepped off the roof there. That was scary. Anyway, so this is aluminum manufacturing, and it's rife across the market, and people don't really know it. So if you're finding value here, I've got other videos and stuff that you can go and watch and kind of see more in depth with all of this stuff. So you can go over there to the channel, like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. But yeah, that's aluminum framing.